Hi guys, it's your girl Big Zy, and I am all by myself today. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. I'm going to be cooking scallops and steak. If you don't know what scallops are basically macaroni just with potatoes. I'm going to be cooking steak in the air fryer, not on the stove or in the oven, in the air fryer. Guys, make sure you comment down below if you have any video ideas that you want to see me and Lil Zy do. Pranks, mukbangs, challenges, vlogs, cooking videos, anything. Comment down below. Guys, make sure you always keep God first in anything and everything. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all post notifications so you'll be the first one to be notified when we post a new video. And guys, I'm going to get back to you when I start cooking.
Few moments later.
Okay guys, so now I'm peeling the potatoes for the scallops and only got 1.5 more to do. And then I'm going to cut them up. Yeah, I'm gonna wear anti-fragile when I get done. Oh, no, I don't know. I know too. Guys, now I'm just cutting the potato with this thingy, and then I'm going to put it into the pan for it to start baking. Alright guys, so I already cut up the potatoes, put them in the pan, and I already rinsed off my steak. Now I'm going to season it. So all I'm using is this Goya. Goya. And guys, I hurt my hand in the process of cooking. My thumb. My thumb really hurt. And I'm using Dash, the garlic herb kind. And I'm using onion powder. And garlic powder. And pepper. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all post notifications so you'll be notified when we post another video. And also, make sure you spam the comments if you want to see Lil Zy do something, if you want to see us do something together in our next video. And guys, I'm going to come back when I put the steaks in the air fryer. Okay guys, now I'm going to put in the steaks and put the butter on top so that can be cooking while the scallops are cooking. Guys, we're going to be cooking it in the air fryer. Comment down below if y'all eat y'all steaks in the air fryer, or if you don't, comment down below what else do you eat that. These big steaks. No, only two can fit. And guys, I'm gonna be putting butter on top of it. I'm not gonna put too much butter. And I'm gonna put it on air fryer. Our air fryer has different modes. So you put on air fryer, slow, bake, roast, rice, simmer, salt, fry, and keep warm. But I'm gonna put it on air fryer and I'll put it on for 22 minutes, and half the time in 11 minutes. I'll flip. Yeah. So guys, I'll get back to you when I flip them over.
Meanwhile.
Alright guys, it just did. Now I'm gonna flip it and like for 2 more minutes on the other side. It smells so good in here. Guys, comment down below. Have you cooked steak before, or you don't like cooking steak? Some people don't like cooking. Sometimes I don't like cooking when my parents have to ask me to cook. So sometimes you just want to do it on your own. Okay guys, so I will get back to you when the steaks get done.
Eventually.
Alright guys, so I finished cooking and here is how it looks.
Oh my god! Wow!
We have the scallops and we have the steak. And guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all post notifications so you'll be the first one to be notified when we post another video. And guys, also make sure to comment down below if you want to see me and Zy do a cooking video, or if you want to see me do another cooking video. Make sure to keep God first in anything and whatever you do. And that's it for this video. Bye.